It's Friday, and if you're like me, you love nothing more than hosting friends and family around your house for the weekend. But isn't it frustrating when you spend a lot of this time getting up and going to the door to let people in? Wouldn't it be great if they could just let themselves in for that period of time without you having to worry? Stay with us for Friday Tip of the Week and we'll show you how to do that.
And here we are in the TT Lock app. So again, for this week, I'm going to use the front door. And what I want to do is set it so that for a period of time, whilst I'm hosting my party, anyone can just enter the property without having to knock on the door, without me having to go to the door, or without them needing a code at all. The way to do this is by heading over into settings and look for the option that says passage mode. When this is then selected, during this specific time period, the lock will remain unlocked until it is manually locked. So all I would do is turn this on, would turn it on for the day we're having our party, and would leave it as all hours because maybe I'm hosting an all-day barbecue and people will need to come and go as they please. But of course you can set this for a specific start time and a specific end time. And if I go ahead and save that, operation successful. The door is now, as you can see, passage mode on, which means any of my guests can let themselves in and make themselves right at home for this party.
So now you know how to use simple smart locks to be the best host that you can be. Join us next Friday for another tip of the week. We look forward to seeing you there.